I'm going to be turning the screen soon for those of you on Instagram. I don't know, some of you like attending Instagram. You shouldn't be missing out on this calls. Okay, good. So we're recording now. Just a moment. You want to watch live on my YouTube? This is actually live on my YouTube. And the link to this call is actually on our Telegram channel. It's a live trading session, so you should be participating. Some of you will be seeing this as an update after the call is done. Just know that you can be making money with us every time we come live. So let's go back to the screen. Okay, good. Beautiful. So this is, am I sharing my screen now? Okay, I'm not sharing. Okay. I'm just gonna let you guys know I'm on a trade on gold. All right. So we actually got in on gold here. So the market is consolidating. And when market is consolidating like this, what it's doing is like it's bunking liquidity, all right? The market is creating liquidity. There's indecision in the market. Normally, when price action plays out like that, when you look at this area from a higher time perspective, this market ought to be selling, but I tell you this, if this market is not selling this area, there is actually, when market breaks. So let me give you, I'm first analyzing gold. Okay, you guys that are here right now, let me do this quickly so that you guys get. Okay, good. This is beautiful. So when you look at the higher time frame, gold has good prospect, okay? When we're looking at the higher time frame right now, market is bullish on the higher time frame, but there is a break of structure. And normally when market breaks structure, it tends to come to a lower area. So I do believe gold needs to come to this area to pick up a very, very good bullish side liquidity. Right now, market is on premium because we just took out what? A sell range. So if this market is not respecting this area, we hopefully feel this market wants to come to this area, all right, for good liquidity drive. Okay, so on a daily, this is the next supply zone on a daily, but right now, the market tends to be more on premium. Excuse me. So we're looking at this price range right now. Market tends to be more on premium than on discount. Okay, so market is on premium right now. So there's a tendency that the market wants to sell on a bigger time frame. Okay. So when market is like this, and mostly when market is close to equilibrium, what I do is I tend to now look for a lower time frame price action, and that is what I did here. So throughout the Asian session into the London session, what market did was market consolidated. During this London session now, this is actually a break retest. And normally price action, okay, when I'm taking a strategy, this strategy is break retest. I got in here right now, put my stop loss above. It's either it delivers my take profit for me or it doesn't. Now, if it doesn't do this, okay, it's going to break up on the upside, which means there is liquidity resting. So the next thing I now have to look, okay, is where is liquidity resting on the upside that this market will go, then I'll consider what my potential, because at the end of the day, this market, look what I'm seeing. Okay, so this market took out this area with this, where is it? Let's see. You see this guy here right now. Okay, this is a very strong bullish takeout. So this is a point of take. This market took out that liquidity, all of this liquidity, took it out. Okay, and there is being a change of character. Okay, and when this normally happens, when there is a change of character that happens in the market, so it broke close, though the volume actually were minimal, not much momentum. Okay, but there's a change of character. This is a week. The whole of that week was taken out by this candle. Okay, and now market went back. Normally, most of the time, when market changes character, let me take this out. It tends to go back to an imbalance point. So let me let's use this. Okay, I'm on the 1 hour normally. Okay, I'm on the 1 hour. So if you look at this area right now, so if I'm seeing gold trying to make a decision to move upside, I won't be biased, because why? When markets started dropping, okay, there are gaps that the market left. Okay, so when you see this market, this area, okay, yeah, so market broke it, but there wasn't a change of character here. This is when the change of character happened. Okay, so market took that out, and this is actually a sell signal. And you can see market respected it quite well. And that is why I actually put one of the reasons I actually dropped when it broke this consolidation, I took the trade. Because why? There's been a point of interest taken out there now, and all market needs to do is either it respects this point of interest, this fair value gap that has been taken out because there's been a change of structure, or it doesn't. Okay, so if market is still consolidating, it means there's volume. Volume is being, there's a horde of volume, okay, indecision in the market. And another thing that normally causes market to move this way is if there's news upcoming. So today there is news, a whole lot of news is happening today. I think FOMC, let's see, today is Tuesday. Okay, so 2:30, there's PPI news. Okay, so there is news. Whenever these news happen, some certain moves, okay, impulses happen in the market. So 2:30, in the next 17 minutes, there's going to be high volatility news in the market. Okay, and another that's light news is going to be 4 p.m. FOMC. Okay, this might not actually have a large impact, but this PPI news is going to shake the market. Okay, so what I'm just doing is I'm already on a trade. If I can change my trade, I would, but I'm already on a trade. My stop loss is already protected. Protect yourself, irrespective of what the prospect the market has. Protect yourself. Now, another place this market can come to, since it has taken away this, is if we're looking up, I go back to the 1 hour, let's see this. There's a point, there's another here, okay, liquidity resting on this area in the market. Okay, so there may be spike up. It's possible. This is another area that the market could make some crazy move up to, and if that happens, there could be a short position around that area, stop loss little above this, boom, and take profit can come all the way down to this area. So that is a 1-to-2 ratio. So this is another thing to watch out for, okay, on gold today. Okay, but stay safe because of the news. Okay, I do have a bias on the downside because of this change of character. Our market has hit this fair value gap. Market ought to be going. I think because of the news, this market is consolidating, and there is every possibility that news can spike and take us out. Okay, that wouldn't be. I'll just stay out of the market. It means, yeah, I think I will just stay put, because where there are good positions, maybe I'll try another entry depending on the level of the news. The market hits here and it's having a 1 minute or a 2 minutes, a 5 minute. It can just hit and drop down. That's how crazy the market could look. So I tend to be very careful on news. I'm just doing this so that you guys see, direction on gold. So that would be gold. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay, there's a sell area around this spot. If the news, sometimes news will push markets to area of volume, steal the volume and move in the direction it should. Okay, so this is something I want you guys to see. Just take a screenshot, or maybe then in the times of the news you could do a sell stop, because I do think market may still drop, so you could do a sell stop below here. Okay, that's where we entered. We entered around the 2666.54 area, 266.54 area. You could do a sell stop, let it take you, and that could limit your stop loss, because if you do a sell stop around this area, okay, a little below this candle, your stop loss could be reduced to this area because you don't have to, and your take profit could be here. Good, yeah. Second low, that is a one, yeah, it's a one. That's another thing you can do for this trade. But at the end of the day, news is in the corner, so you can be patient. So that's gold. Now, another thing that I have, okay, so I took EU. EU still consolidating. Now, I'm going to go to a higher time frame. I spotted another position, okay? So when you look at all of this, let me take this out. I did a little bit of training on our last session. So watch this. Market is consolidating right now. When market is consolidating, it means just one thing, okay? There's not much of a volume around this area. There's been volume. So when you look at this right now, let's go back to the daily. Okay, what happened here with this candle? So this candle means a lot. Okay, it took away the liquidity resting here. All right, so market took away the liquidity resting here, and this is this day's high. This was yesterday. So the moment market took this out, okay, and there is this present candle took out this liquidity. So market is preparing for something. Maybe there's going to be, if I'm looking at the day right now, there's probably supposed to be market moving to this area. If it wants to push down, then push down from this area. I perceive market has the capacity to push to this. I'm on a daily right now. So this 50% is around here. So let's just put it here. So if I'm going to a smaller time frame, okay, since market has taken this area, you see this impulse candle, move back to 15 minutes. Watch this. There's so much liquidity. So one is another block here and a daily. So this black line is a daily, okay? And there are so this is just impulse. And in between the impulses, okay, there are gaps. All right. So between this candle and this candle, there's a gap. So there's so much liquidity resting below. Between this candle and this candle, there's a gap. Between this candle and this candle, there's a gap. So, and where market goes when there are strong volatility, it tends to come pick all of the volume, all of the things resting here. So there is a trade idea possibility within this area. So first is the market comes low, I'm sure it might not want to come to this daily because this is the daily low, okay, that it took out. Okay, but if it does, that's good risk to reward. But anything around this area, so this is the moment it broke out of this area, the market has not come here. So I'll take the equilibrium of this. Okay, that is about 14 pips stop loss, not even up to 14 pips, about 12 pips stop loss, because if there is news, you don't want to expose yourself too much, and you can go all the way to the high of this today. Okay, that is a 1 to 4% risk to reward. And I'm also perceiving if it's going to go that direction, it might just be a spike, hit and go. Okay, so if you want to take this trade, there's a possibility you can set a buy limit around this area or this area. Okay, so these are the different areas of bullish that will happen within this market. What's the time right now? 20. Market is pulling down now. Imagine. Okay, so these are areas I want to watch out for. Okay, just giving it to you guys. May happen before the news. Good. So if you want to do a buy, yeah, that's a buy limit. You can do a buy limit, but keep your stop loss close, short. Or you can just watch it. It's just 20 minutes. It's just less than 10 minutes to go. So those are two potential trades that I see, okay, within the market. So most of the time it's good to watch. Most of the time it's just good to take your risk. Gold is already moving, and it could be a dangerous move as well. Now, if you take this trade, so let's say you do a stop loss here, you take this trade, your take profit one is supposed to be 2661, but it's always dangerous when the market is about to have a high volume impact news to take pending orders. It's always dangerous, but I'm also letting you guys know what you do when you do pending orders. So this is what I am looking for. GU, I really don't know much on GU. Okay, let me see quickly. All right, I think it's the same thing. Let's look at the daily low. Okay, no. This was the daily low. Okay, market has not taken away the daily low of today. Market took away the daily low, that's of yesterday. So daily low of yesterday, daily high of yesterday was taken out. It means it was raided. And what happens most of the time is when it is raided, you come back on a smaller time frame. Market had to have position within this area if it wants to sell. Let's move to a smaller time frame. So this market is looking on the buyer side, the market is looking bearish. So trust me, market comes back here. Has it played it out? Not really. Has it played it out? Will I call this playing it out? So guys, market may want to come this drop down, quick trade. Okay, pull back up, drop down. But I don't really like the setup. I'll be honest with you. Okay, I don't really like the setup. What I do see as a potential trade, okay, is gold. Okay, gold, potential trade. Beautiful. So then EU might drop down. So you want to watch out for the news. And that is about 7 more minutes. I probably will just look at the reaction of gold. But if there is any question that is about the analysis I feel like I have in the market, let me see what USD/JPY is saying. Higher time frame. Okay, no technical play out yet. Let's see. We have a high. We have a low. Market has taken away 50%. Market is on premium right now. Okay, so we should be looking at for sell position in no time. So when market took out this, let's see. Okay, so market took this away. Not really. Oh, I'm on a weekly, sorry, daily. Okay, when market took this away, consolidated, market hasn't been back here since it did so. So what am I going to be looking at for? Okay, market may have a play. Let's take it to a lower time frame. Let's see 4 hours. There's a whole lot of liquidity resting on this upside, and market is moving after that liquidity. Market is presently trying to, so this is news impulse, took away this. It was a change of character. Market didn't really go up. So this is a big run. There's a big gap between this area, man, and this area. I don't think market has gone there. No, it's too big. It's too big a risk. I'm just going to play out. So it's too big a risk. I'm just going to play out on price action. Am I on 4 hours? I'm on 4 hours right now. Let's see. Let me change it to 1 hour. I still consolidating. So over the last couple of days, market is just consolidating in and out. So there is liquidity upstairs. Okay, upstairs. Market is on premium. On the higher time frame. So if USD gains strength, we'll probably be going high. Okay, but for that to happen, let's just watch. Market is so crappy. No clear move. Okay, no clear move on the hour, but I do know if market takes this away, it's down. Market takes this away, it's up. So this 50%. It's not dropping from here, probably will go up. I can't do anything on USD/JPY. I don't feel like I want to do anything on USD, but I don't see any possible idea on USD/JPY. Okay, I'm just going to stick to looking at on gold. How many minutes to go? 4 more minutes to go. Gold and EU. So EU is still be far away, but maybe a spike. You know how the news gets. All right. So I'm just gonna watch it and okay, what's the question? So okay, good. Don't you think it's because the inauguration of Donald Trump as for yeah, a lot of fundamentals is going to happen in the market. That's a lot of fundamentals, for fundamental traders. Many things will shake the market. And that's probably the market has been kind of like inconsistent because of what's coming. But as traders, dig it. Traders just like digging it. Okay. So this is my 2 billion idea today. I don't like it. I don't like to call it 2 cents. Gold and Euro USD. My next position on a buy or buy position on Euro USD. I'm looking for market coming to this direction. If the news aids it, fine. If the news doesn't, I'm still going to wait patiently. When it does and I see confirmation candles opening, I'm going to be buying and putting my stop losses below here. Okay. But there are positions, there are volume here. And if you pick a good volume, that's good risk to reward. And market is going all the way here. That's good risk to reward. So this market, yeah, the next zone for a sell is this. So it holds almost a risk to reward of 1 to 6. So watch out for this move. Don't allow your absence take that away from you. Okay, gold is still holding off that zone. Let's see what happens. You see that it goes the direction or it doesn't. Okay, but after PPI, just allow the market to take a breath. All right. Any questions so far? What do you guys think? Any question? Same thing. I think. Wow, this is looking. It's been a while. Same thing that is happening on EU is happening here. There's been a take out. Boom. I think market is set to go up. For those of you who like Asian pairs, I do believe same thing that is happening on EU is gonna happen on. There's some volume resting here. You want to shorten your stop loss, but let me just put it below this. It's about 12 pips. Okay, taking it to this high is about there's some good risk to reward in the market. Wow. That's the news. So guys, that's the news. That's the news. Up. The first minute, sticking it up. So, well, a direct change. So that will be, a direct change of, so the effect more is on, so let's give it 1 minute. Sometimes the first and the second minute are weak whack. So it is weak, already shown it's weak. It's weak on USD. So that is a direct impact on a buy. Direct impact on the buy. So leave the market, let it do what it needs to do. Okay. Not recording. Allow the market for it to do what it needs to do. Don't fight it. Okay. After the storm, there's going to be a calm. So I'm looking. And I hope most of you know the news is always, most PPI news, I think PPI news are always up, down. Sometimes they do up, down move, okay? So I don't know if this is a spike. I've seen news that will spike up, then come, protect yourself. Okay, so this is not going the direction that I thought it was going to go. Didn't come down. EU didn't come down. I know I was looking for a buy, but I thought it was going to weak down, but it didn't weak down. So EU didn't really come. Okay. I just imagine this is a bought down. One, you'll be out right now, you'll be rejoicing, but it didn't. So we can't do anything about it. Okay. And the volume, I don't know. If it wants to continue, it continues up. When the market is settled after a break retest of this zone, okay, break retest of this zone, then we're going to be buy. That's a buy. But I'm going to be patient. You know why I'm going to be patient? If the news pushes this market to this area, there may be sell position. So this is what I'm going to watch over the next couple of hours. Okay, since this volume didn't drive it there immediately, this might settle and just keep coming down, which is also in my favor. Okay, so this is the next sell position. It's not coming there right now, and it's still taking time. Let's see. Everything is still taking time. Okay, so with that being said, I can't watch the market when when it's doing like this. Okay, but I hope you guys got positions. You guys got some value with this call. That is my 2 billion cent for today. Okay, I'm going to see you guys on my next trading session. Just stay connected, and we have a community where you guys could be getting value. This morning we traded money in minutes. Yesterday, was it yesterday we traded money in minutes? Okay, and we made money. Yeah, yes, was it yesterday? Okay, we traded money in minutes. We made money. Now we traded money in minutes today. We made money. And we're also going to be having a session by Thursday. You don't want to miss out on these free trading sessions to make money live, okay? And to have signals sent to you live within the group. Imagine you have an account, all you're just doing is for every trade that is sent, you're just taking 0.05, all right? 0.5, 1%, and you're just following, leveraging while you're learning the skill. It's amazing how you can get yourself to earning money. So you want to join that community. You're not there, you want to join that community. Just make sure you follow the instructions on the pinged message on our general group. General group is free. The trading community is also free, but you just have to fund your account to get access to the premium signal group. God bless each and every one of you. That's about my time. Bye-bye.